So this is our pick for our favorite car at the Rockin' Race. This is the owner of the car, Steve. It's powered by Big Block Ford.
521 cubic inch, Big Block Ford.
Automatic or manual?
Power glide transmission, 2-speed power glide.
And you can campaign it at a lot of gasser races?
Yes, I go to as many as I can. Last one was this is in Wisconsin.
It's a beautiful car, and if you come out to the Rockin' Race, you can watch them race it.
Yep.
It's my wife's favorite car because it's a Fairlane. Thank you.